Menorca is the third largest island in the Balearic archipelago after Mallorca and Ibiza. The island of Menorca covers 694 square kilometers. The capital is Mahon, located at the southeastern end of the island. The island from east to west can be crossed in about 1 hour by car. The island has 216 kilometers of highly varied coastline, from the rugged shores and reddish beaches of the north, to the gentle relief of the south, with golden sandy coves. There are many different options to enjoy sun and sea, whether on broad sandy beaches or at small coves surrounded by pine groves. They all have one thing in common, however: clean, crystal clear waters. You can go sailing, windsurfing, water skiing and, of course, scuba diving here. Minorca's stunning seabed has been a favorite amongst diving enthusiasts for decades. Minorca has the UNESCO Biosphere Reserve designation and a wealth of flora, fauna, and landscapes. Outings on foot, by bike, or on horseback, on the marked trails and routes, are a good way to get to know these beautiful surroundings. Another of Minorca's attractions is its archaeological and cultural heritage. Discover interesting monumental sites, prehistoric remains, other prehistoric sites, and even small fishing villages that still conserve their ancient traditions.